Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Ever hesitate before opening someone's live photo? I definitely do. You expect something amazing, but then it's blurry, shaky, or looks completely different from the cover image. The colors change, the vibe feels off, and that special moment is gone. Live photos are meant to bring memories to life, yet most feel like a mystery box. You never know what you'll get. That's where the vivo S60 stands out. Lots of phones promise great live photos, but the S60 actually fixes the biggest problems. Its true 4K live camera delivers sharp, detailed results while eliminating choppy playback, frame drops, awkward transitions, and that flat, lifeless feeling.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
With the S60, great live photos aren't left to chance. The secret is its flagship-level 4K direct-touch, ultra-lightweight live technology. It delivers impressive frame-by-frame consistency. Both the cover image and moving clip come from the same 4K source, so everything matches perfectly. Every frame is pulled directly from the original recording, and with original sound live, the colors, perspective, and mood stay consistent from start to finish. The difference becomes obvious the moment you preview a live photo in WeChat Moments. On the vivo S60, sharpness stays consistent, colors remain accurate, and transitions feel seamless. No strange shifts, no disconnect, just one smooth experience. And there's more. In original sound mode, the S60 supports 3D image stabilization, helping reduce blur when capturing moving subjects. Even fast action moments stay clear and stable. But the real surprise is 4K Starlight Live. This feature makes live photos feel far more cinematic. It intelligently detects highlights like light trails, hand movements, and sunlight reflections, then enhances them with a dreamy sparkle effect. The result looks beautifully polished straight from the camera, no filters or editing needed. Another feature you'll probably use all the time is Inspiration Sticker. With one tap, you can cut out moving subjects directly from your gallery. No third-party apps required. Resize, rotate, move, and combine them however you like. Mix portraits with scenery, create fun pet edits, or build eye-catching social posts in seconds. Pair that with features from the previous generation, including highlight slow motion, zoom effects, Westgate, multiple film filters, and various live effects, and the vivo S60 becomes a powerful tool for live photo creativity. Of course, great software needs great hardware. The vivo S60 features a 50-megapixel Sony gimbal-stabilized main camera, a 50-megapixel Sony Periscope telephoto lens, and a 110-degree low-distortion ultra-wide camera. Together, they deliver excellent image quality across every focal length. It also brings the pure backlight portrait mode from the X series, producing natural, detailed portraits with realistic skin tones, even when beautification is enabled. And the flagship experience doesn't end there. Features like AI creative camera, dual-view video recording, and low-frequency line stabilization are all included, making the vivo S60 one of the strongest and most competitive camera phones in its class.
When it comes to design, the vivo S60 is more than just a pretty phone. The Fresh Ocean version features a unique starlight lithography finish that sparkles beautifully when light hits it. Combined with the soft blue and white gradient, it feels like holding a miniature ocean filled with stars. It's clean, premium, and instantly grabs attention. And the premium feel doesn't stop there. The S60 uses an integrated unibody design with a floating, light-cold carved back panel and matching camera module. Everything blends together seamlessly, creating a sleek and refined look from every angle. What's even more impressive? Despite all this, the phone is only 7.79 millimeters thin and weighs around 205 grams. It feels light, comfortable, and easy to hold for hours. The aviation-grade aluminum frame and rounded corners make every grip feel smooth and natural. For everyday use, Vivo has added some flagship-level upgrades too. The new 3D Ultrasonic Fingerprint 2.0 unlocks the phone instantly, even with wet hands, sweaty fingers, or skincare products on your skin. Plus, the sensor sits at a comfortable height, making it easy to reach, even for users with longer nails. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights: battery life. The vivo S60 packs a massive 7,200 mAh blue ocean battery with 90-watt fast charging. That means less worrying and more using. Thanks to Global Direct Drive Power Supply 2.0, you can charge and play at the same time while keeping temperatures under control. Vivo also says its Blue Lotus Smooth engine can keep performance feeling smooth for up to 5 years. Durability is another area where the S60 shines. With both IP68 and IP69 ratings, it's ready for rain, splashes, and everyday accidents. You also get stereo dual speakers, an X-axis linear motor, infrared remote control, full-featured NFC, and VC cooling, making the overall package feel surprisingly complete. Now, let's quickly look at the vivo S60 Vitality Edition. In terms of design and slim profile, it stays very close to the standard S60. It also keeps the same display, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, 7,200 mAh battery, and IP68 protection, so the core experience remains largely unchanged. Under the hood, it runs on the Dimensity 7500 processor, paired with that same huge battery, delivering solid everyday performance. For cameras, you get a 50-megapixel main sensor and an ultra-wide lens. It also supports 4K Ultra HD Live, native live photos, live inspiration zone, and large view live camera movement, making it a practical and accessible choice. Overall, the vivo S60 series takes live photography to the next level by making it smoother, more stable, and far more atmospheric. Instead of chasing specs alone, it focuses on fixing real user frustrations and turns live photos into something effortless and enjoyable. And when you combine that with its stunning design, comfortable feel, massive battery, and strong durability, the vivo S60 feels perfectly tailored for young users. It looks great, feels great, and delivers an experience you'll want to keep using long after the first impression.